Well, good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. I am really working on having a full grocery store pantry. That's one of the things that I really love to do, and I like to take inventory every couple months to see what I have and what I don't have. And today I found out by going through my inventory that I ran out of pizza dough mix in a jar. It is one of my favorite mixes in a jar, so simple and easy to make. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make some of this. I'm gonna eat some pizza too, and then I'm gonna share with you how you can have a grocery store in your own home. By doing that, I guess that means we have to go into my pantry grocery store, and I'll show you what it looks like today on this episode of Homestead Tessie. And now what I have left is, I have some flour that I want to go ahead and put into jars as soon as I get some jars. I've pretty much been using up everything that I have. But now my grocery store is pretty much complete. There's just a few things yet I'm probably going to use and top it off, but everything is looking really good. So I'm just going to go ahead and see, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 pounds of flour. And then I have 5 pounds of rice I need to put away. And everything else is in jars. So for the occasional, maybe a little bit of sugar here and there, it looks really good. And I'll flip the camera around and show you. Turned out. Now this is my major area where I have all of my food. I do have an out porch, and that is my cold storage. That's where I keep all of my onions, potatoes, and that's where I keep all of my root crops. But in here is where I have pretty much all of my baking supplies and things like that. So this is my favorite room of the house. I love it in here. You see me in here a lot. I have chocolate syrup that I have canned. I have noodles, oatmeal, different kinds of rice. We've been doing that in the last couple videos. My own pizza sauce, beans, and lots and lots and lots of different kinds of flour. And everything now is dated. Everything now is pretty much rotated in inventory. We have canned cheese. We have everything in here. People ask me all the time, well, what all is in your pantry? And then I tell them, well, what is in a grocery store? We have exactly what's in a grocery store. We have cookies in a jar, cookie mixes. We have all kinds of mixes. I'm looking all around me because it's everywhere. Any vegetable, any kind of meat that you can imagine. In here, you see these little labels. This one is my pantry mixes, the books. I keep all of my pantry books in here. And then this one is notebooks and stickers and things like that. So I keep them in here too. I also have lights that I can hook up with my solar. Right now, we're in with solar. So this room would be really dark without my solar. So I have my little solar portable unit with me, and I have a light behind me. But the favorite thing is I love my ground beef. I still have some of that. And then we also have lard. I have home canned lard too. I'm telling you, I have it all. I have everything that you can possibly imagine. We have cake mixes, my favorite kind of salsa, and I'm going to be making more salsa here next week. Ketchup, mustard, hamburger helper, which I keep making this over and over and over again. And I print out a lot of labels, and then the extra labels I keep in my drawer. And here's something else that's really unique. I have, this is the topping for pies. And I have a lot of that. And then we have lots of different kinds of beans. We have all kinds of bean soup mixes. And that's always fun too. So I have everything in here. And that's what it looks like. Just this, where you can see from here, because you turn it around and you see all kinds of other things. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if it's something you're interested in, maybe the mixes in a jar, there are so many wonderful cookbooks, and my favorite ones are in every single video description. I love the mixes in a jar. Any kind of mixes in a jar, and I love them. These are from the 1980s and the 1990s. These are a little bit hard to find. This one is easy to find. This one is very rare. So you have a hard time finding this one, but I did. And I have extra labels. But if you're looking for the newer ones, they have lots of them, and I have them. I save up money whenever I can to get these, because this is what makes my in-store grocery store. So that's just one of them. There's lots of them in here, and I keep them all together. I'm trying to keep myself as organized as I can. And the best way to stay organized is to label everything. And I hope that you are watching my rice mixes in a jar, because if you watch my videos on a daily basis, you could have a room that looks like this in a matter of 6 months. Because everything you see here, everything was a video. Every single thing I've ever done in here is in a video, and it's in a video archives. Did you know that I have video archives? They are playlists. And they are written in a way that you can find them really easy. All you have to do is look in the playlist on a mixes in a jar and in-store grocery store, and you can find a fun way to create your own grocery store at home. Take care, everyone. We'll see you guys again. Bye. New on my channel, I am tagging all of the products and all the things that you see in my daily videos. Those products are in the description box, along with all kinds of show notes, and also they're actually tagged in the video. I do get a small commission from the sales of these items, but it's more for a reference for all of you. That way you can see firsthand the books, the products, the things that are in my video, in case it's something that you're interested in too. It's always at your fingertips. It's easy for you to research it for yourself.